Are you seeing a decline in the value of your 401k? Gold Retirement Accounts Best Gold IRA Company Review. The pandemic and the war in Europe have created the perfect storm, with world economies reeling from vital supply shortages and soaring inflation. So, if you are looking for a way to balance your investment portfolio, the easiest and smartest way is to invest in gold bullion. You may be asking yourself, is gold a good retirement investment? Put in simple terms, when other assets' values drop in price, gold often rises. In the economic crashes of 2008 and 2018, many investors in the USA purchased gold to protect against the currency decline of the dollar. This form of investment is known as hedging, and smart investors know that as currency value falls, inflation occurs, causing higher prices on imports and the value of their other stocks to decrease. The value of gold, however, is rarely affected by such economic trends and is therefore the best investment against inflation. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission advises, diversified retirement investments are the safest way to manage financial risks and attain financial security after retirement. So, should you invest in gold bullion? The trend of purchasing gold has continued to rise in recent years. In 2018, the investor demand for gold in the United States grew by 4% due to trade wars between the US and China. So, what is gold's performance in times of crisis? Let's take a look. Precious metals are the only asset class that has consistently performed well in times of economic and political turmoil. For thousands of years, gold has been the go-to asset for wealth protection in times of crisis. From 2007 to 2009, the US stock market faced one of its worst crashes ever, dealing a massive blow to as much as 60% of some Americans' retirement savings. So you may be asking, what is a precious metals IRA? A gold IRA is an individual retirement account, IRA, essentially a self-directed IRA that includes gold or other precious metals like silver in its portfolio. To own gold, you will need a self-directed gold IRA that includes physical precious IRS-approved metal bullion coins or bars, instead of publicly traded securities. Using an IRS-approved gold IRA company ensures that you're meeting IRS storage requirements without accruing penalties for withdrawal. Regardless of your traditional investment preferences, tangible assets like gold can help make the profitability and safety of your IRA portfolio more attainable, while mitigating risks from uncertain geopolitical landscapes. Here are the basic steps to open a gold IRA. Choose a custodian. You'll need to choose an IRS-approved custodian to manage your IRA account for you. Choose a dealer. A precious metals dealer will supply the gold you need for your gold IRA. Decide on your investment. Decide what type of products you want to buy from your dealer. US Mint-issued American Eagle bullion coins or Canadian maple leafs are a common choice. They meet the requirement of having a 99.5% fineness level. Choose a depository. You need to store the precious metals you want to add to your self-directed IRA in an IRS-approved depository. And completing the transaction involves the IRA custodian handling the payments, and the dealer shipping your precious metals to a depository. A reputable gold IRA specialist company will handle the process from start to finish for you. Should I transfer or roll over from my existing retirement plan? If you have existing precious metals IRA and want to add additional gold to it, you will need to use your custodian to help you purchase gold from the dealer, so the dealer can move it to the depository for you. Your first alternative is a transfer. This is something you can do at any time with your existing retirement plan, as long as the assets go from custodian to custodian. The second alternative is a rollover. A rollover occurs when you receive the distribution from your existing retirement account, and then deposit it in another retirement plan custodial account. Once your gold IRA account is open, you can only contribute up to the approved IRS limit. And for 2022, that limit was $6,000 of income for those under 50, and $7,000 for 50 plus. What are the eligible precious metals for IRA investing? The United States government, through the IRS, has laid out strict rules when it comes to what coins and bars qualify for such accounts. Gold, silver, platinum and palladium. These precious metals are popular for use in self-directed IRAs because of their long-term investment track record. Gold has always been, a highly prized symbol of wealth since the earliest records of history. And silver has been used for thousands of years in coinage, jewelry, tableware, and more. Platinum and palladium, similar histories to gold and silver, these two precious metals are known for their catalytic properties and are still heavily used in industrial processes. So, are gold IRAs a good idea? Gold investments provide tax benefits and yield higher after-tax returns than Roth IRAs. And, you only have to pay taxes on gains from gold IRA investments after you cash out. The 28% collectible tax rate doesn't apply to gold IRA investments. Any taxes on withdrawals are based on your income bracket. You may ask, does gold investments diversify assets? Yes, owning gold and IRAs can help diversify your retirement portfolio and be a more holistic way to approach your overall investment strategy. When should you invest in gold IRAs? Gold investments during inflation are one of the smartest things you can do for your retirement portfolio. If you're worried that current events will lead to more and more inflation, and you could lose even more value from your retirement fund, now is the time to use gold to hedge your investments against loss. Who is best suited for gold IRAs? Whether you're an entrepreneur, working professional, investor, business owner, or retiree, you can benefit from a gold IRA. Or anyone who has at least $20,000 to $50,000 to roll over in a gold IRA should do so. As we move toward a higher inflation rate and continuing economic upsets, your 401k is more vulnerable than ever. If you've already seen your retirement portfolio values drop, and are worried about how much money will be left when you retire, you're the perfect person to invest in a gold IRA. Choosing a gold IRA can give you peace of mind concerning the security of your savings.